Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can order on Burger King application. Keep watching the video till the end. To order on Burger King, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.bk.com and make a search. You will arrive on the official page of Burger King. Log into your account if you are not logged in, and the home page of Burger King account will appear on the screen. Choose your location by tapping on drive-thru and insert your location. Select your nearby restaurant and tap on order. Select the type of food you want to order and tap on it. On the next page, click on add option at the bottom right side of the page. You can also add the quantity of food if you want to by tapping on plus icon. Select your payment method, enter your card details and pay for it. This is how you can order on Burger King quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.